What's up, guys? And today we are doing Nerf War Part 3. So, basically, same thing as last time. We have the Great Wall of China. A bit downgraded, though. We kind of lost some of the things to use. We're also using the Camera Girl again. We have her base over here. So, basically, we'll show you the guns in a minute. We'll show you the bases, the guns, who's going to be in the bases, what guns they're going to use. Each player will strategize privately with the camera, maybe. I don't know, it depends on if they feel comfortable. So basically, we'll just get started, and then we'll give you a tour of the bases and everything. So we'll just get into it. See you guys then. Alright, so now we're just going to do the bases, who's manning the bases and the gun, and then we'll cut to the strategizing in the private room with the person. So we'll just get started on the basing and gunning. So first we're starting off with the builder of the Great Wall of China, Bobby. So what do you have to say for yourself?
Not much, really. We got some pretty cool guns.
He's got
a batarang.
He's got some.
Just throw it at someone's eye.
He's got some decent weapons. I mean, he doesn't have the best ammo exactly. Like, I know he has two 12s, a 10, and then an 18. But then I'm over here with a 35 and a 25 and a 12. So, but he does have 4, and I only have 3. So he's got his 12 mag in here. Got a 12 mag. He's got a 10 mag in here.
18.
Pull the handle, cocking. His main gun has the biggest mag because he's going to use that the most. The only issue with the biggest mag is it takes longest to reload. So his main gun with the biggest mag might be an issue. Then he's got his favorite gun, the little pistol. I don't know why, but what's funny is that kind of pistol is actually the Nerf Mandalorian pistol, just different colors. And this barrel, there's an extension barrel that...
I don't know where the extension barrel is.
It's in the handle that you took off.
It is?
Yeah.
Hang on, let me go get that.
And then he's got a little backup in case anybody comes to his base. And then he's got the 2 backup mags. And then the bullets are insane! And he's also got the electronic area. So, yeah. I don't know if I can reach that high, but I might need to try and put a blanket there. Did he find the barrel? He found the barrel. Alright, and now we're going to cut to the Camera Girl's base and see all that.
Okay,
So first thing off, she kind of got the last pick. She got 2 guns, and he's over there with his 8. Alright, so anyway. What are your guns? What's the base like? Like, don't you have a special item with your base?
Yeah, my panic cover.
Yeah, if you remember in part 2 of the Nerf War, right as we started the battle, she went, "Panda Cubby!"
Yep.
But now we kind of made it so she doesn't exactly hide there. We took the roof off. So now if she's there for too long, this base...
The unknown.
Yeah, the unknown can just look over and shoot her.
Right on my head.
Here, I'll take you to the preference of that real quick. So you just have your gun, you come on over.
I'll just be sitting like this if I'm in.
And then he just shoots her. She has to run. Yep. So that's what, because if you remember, the Panic Cubby last episode of the Nerf War Part 2, she was just sitting there the whole time.
I got shot a couple times.
Yeah, but then again, while in the Panic Cubby, you went, So, basically, that's what we're going to be doing. So she's got her 2 guns, her bullets, her walls, her Panic Cubby, and then this is her, and now, this is what we're going to do. So we'll take you to my base in a quick second. Anything to say to the camera before you get shot a lot?
Bye.
Alright, so here's my base. I only have 2 guns. I got my shotgun, my main gun. It's got 3 firing rates, 1 shot, burst, and then full full auto. So basically, and then I have a table. So I mean, it's not that much of a difference. Like I only have 2 guns, but I also got some of the best guns. Bobby's over there boxing. And then we got the room over here. Because last time, again, if you didn't hear me the first time, she ran here and then said panic cubby and then went to sneak around. Because a secret part about the panic cubby, she has like a little sneak attack area. She's got like, she can just shoot around the couch into his base. And then if you, in the one of the videos, if you focus in on that area, you'll see her at like 2 minutes around, you'll see her come out of that little corner and go, huh? And then try and shoot him. So all we're gonna do is we're about to get started. And so,
Can't see you, bruh.
alright, so now we're about to start the video. We'll put the tripod on top of the fridge. Yes, we know. Such a great place for recording. But like, that's the best way we can get all the room. So we'll just cut to that and you'll see us when we're about to start the video. Alright, so we're about to get started with the Nerf 4 goggles.
Yeah, we should have. They're in the bin, aren't they?
I'll grab them.
Okay, bet. So, gonna shoot this human being right here with this pistol.
If I'm in front of the.
You know, this
Alright.
pistol's gonna be great at shooting people.
Alright, so basically there's no strategies for this. We're basically, all we plan on doing is shooting each other, hopefully hitting them.
Forcing each other out. Our best bet.
So, yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, is just trying to shoot each other and hit them and stuff. So, yeah. So we'll cut to that in a sec. See you guys then. Alright, we're about to start the Nerf 4. We're getting in the bases. Hoping our guns are fully loaded. It's recording, so.
I know.
Alright, so we're about to start. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Go!
You have to have the glasses on, bro.
I missed! Ah!
Pause.
No!
Crap.
I tried shooting her. Keep the Nerf 4 going.
I'm trying in the dark! Ah! Better right now! I got the... This dart's not gonna work! Eh! Ah! Sure! Give me a dart! I need a dart! Somebody help me! I need a dart!
I gave you a dart.
Thanks!
Yeah.
Sophia, you know I can shoot at you, right? You missed!
Yeah, no duh.
Grabby patties are
This
made
is such a team. You guys
My
are a
time.
team. You guys are such a team.
We're
No,
not
we're not.
teaming!
I shot at him and hit him.
Ah!
Oh! Just do it.
Guys, maybe we shouldn't do this.
Huh?
My mom's literally screaming from upstairs because we're being too loud. Yeah?
Pause the recording.
Hold on, guys. We'll be back. Alright, guys, so this may be a bit confusing, but we found a better camera angle. So comment down below which one you like better, the fridge or this one, because I feel like this one gets a better shot of Bobby, which does most of the action. And then the shy one on the left,
/ the unknown.
the shy one on the left is usually the camera girl, so she's over here. So you'll see her anytime she's shooting.
Hi.
And then I'm mainly shooting. So it's like no matter what, you'll see me because I'll stand up and shoot or pop up and shoot. But like you hardly see anything of Bobby because it used to be like you hardly saw anything. So now we have a better angle that keeps her from being exposed. So if she does anything embarrassing, it's not 100% to be caught on camera.
Yes, sir, you already know who
So
it is.
we thought
It's your boy Mickey Mouse in the house.
So we kind of wanted to give you the military expert point of view of the person that's always standing around who literally has a wristband of bullets.
Sorry about the noise. I'm trying to
You
reload.
already know who it is. It's your boy Mickey Mouse in the house.
So we're gonna just get started right now.
Mickey House.
Oh yeah, don't mind the Yu-Gi-Oh! What we were playing earlier. We'll clean that up.
Okay.
So this video will be uploaded well tonight. For us, we're filming it tonight. It should be uploaded for tonight too, and then tomorrow we'll make a part 4 hopefully.
People in scary movies, they have a choice of a phone, a gun, a rocket launcher, or a banana. They choose the freaking banana.
I was thinking they choose the phone. Just change their status. I'm being chased by a killer clown.
No, they choose the banana. They throw the banana at the killer.
No, they eat the banana and throw it on the ground. The killer slips.
They're gonna pull a Mario.
No, they throw
Okay,
the
but anyways, let's get started.
Yeah.
Because that was kind of awkward.
Go!
Okay. So first you aim for me. Wow.
You were the face that was open.
Twisting mode!
You trying? You little.
You little book!
You wanna know what?
Hey,
I
don't
shot more
get her
bullets than me now. I shot more bullets at you all than you shot at me.
Yes, exactly. That's why I changed this perspective of the camera, smart guy. I don't have my goggles on. I lost my
I don't
goggles.
mind either.
She
No,
doesn't
we're
know.
chilling.
All right, time out, time out.
Nah.
Goggles.
Goggles! Goggles! Goggles!
I don't know where mine went.
I had goggles over here, but I don't know where they went.
I'm panicking.
I had 2 over here. I don't know where they went. It's probably in your base.
Oh, found mine.
I don't know where mine are.
You had the gray ones, right?
No, I have red ones.
Wait, these are red.
Well, they were in your base. So.
Oh wait, look.
Oh wait, no, these were yours, and those were his.
Got the mix up a bit.
Right here.
I was the red one.
Anyway,
Well, I like red.
so
I
let's
do
get
too.
started.
Anyway, oh,
I just stood still.
He
Didn't care
didn't
about the
touch
bullet.
me.
Huh?
bro, that was some Matrix crap.
We both almost hit each other.
Bro, I didn't even move. Mine gave you a freaking buzz cut. It just went.
I didn't feel anything.
I mean-
to be honest.
Miss.
I mean, that's
Bro,
not
I'm like Neo over here dodging these bullets like it's nothing, bro.
Bro, a bullet just goes through my leg.
Woo!
I just pulled my
we need
gas.
to start aiming at Liam. Like, what are we doing?
I shot at him so many times. I miss every
The
bullet.
shot gets loaded. Fire!
Pistols loaded. Sophia, peek your head. You're gonna die.
You missed.
This pistol's garbage. It just landed right in your base.
And if the table landed in my base.
Bunga gamers.
That's my catchphrase.
Cowabunga gamers.
Liam, shoot at me with that pistol again real quick. I'm a matrix it.
Okay.
Shoot right at me with it.
Pause.
Stop. It didn't even go. Shoot up a little bit higher.
There ain't no pause in this game.
Then I'll shoot you in the head.
Okay, then when you run out into the field to get ammo, you can't
Fine.
pause.
Fine. Pause. The pauses are allowed.
It's not even getting in the base.
Did you weave that bullet so hard?
Bro, the amount of times I've like swerved. God,
Matrix.
can I have some bullets, please? Sophia's over there with like bullets no matter what.
Here, bullet.
There.
Thanks.
Bullet.
Thanks.
Bullet. Look in the corner where I'm
Mega. Yay.
Bullet. Oh, crap.
Full power.
Fix the base.
What the?
My power isn't
dying.
very powerful.
Taking cover fire.
Cover fire! Cover fire!
Are you sure it's on full power?
What?
It's pretty much just giving me bullets. Bullet.
You can't hit anything! Bro, I think this gun's dying, bro. This took C batteries too.
You said you need bullets, right?
Yeah.
Bullet. Oh, okay.
She's not even trying to hit me. It's as if she's just trying to
Yeah,
shoot.
Liam, it's my charger. My phone's already at 24.
Bullet. It's not working.
The unknown is back, baby.
Trespassing.
I missed.
Yeah. I got.
I'm not trespassing nowhere, bruh. I'm not in anyone's base. Oh!
Eh, eh.
You throw it.
Not much longer, buddy!
gun with a big mag.
Mm-hmm. Hit the drum.
This gun is weak!
Sophia, come! I'm coming over! Sophia, I'm coming!
Alright! Here, put this down. Liam! This is my only working gun.
The other one works too! Because it's locked or something! Close the top!
I did!
Donker!
Shoot! You're teaming! Ah! Ah! Sophia, cover me!
Trying to reload, I'm sorry.
I need help!
Shoot it!
He's watching me. Go! Fire! 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 Fire!
Ah, crap, I'm out of ammo.
Same! Alright, guys. I think that'll be it for today's video. A lot of stuff happened in this video.
A lot.
A lot. We learned we have it a better spot than a refrigerator for a camera. We learned rules don't apply in Nerf 4. No invading bases. So then we go and run into the base and take their best gun. So we learned a lot today. One,
That I am the best warrior.
known.
He's the best unknown. That's what he is.
He is the best at Fortnite.
Yeah.
We learned I am the best at matrixing.
No, you're not.
Yes, you
No,
are.
did you not see?
Did you not see me and him?
You shot every shotgun bullet at me and missed because I went and dodged them all. What do you mean?
Yeah, and then every shot you took at me didn't beat
I'm
anything.
bad at aiming.
My video went better. My
No,
rules.
you're not.
Anyways, guys,
Hey, this is my video.
it's time to end it. Okay, other than...
And goodbye.
Because they don't...
All right, well, I'm better. I won.
No, you're not. You're
Thank
horrible.
you guys. I'm better. I won. Goodbye.